In this lesson, we'll explore how ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for translation, and why it's an effective choice compared to other well-known translation programs like Google Translate and Microsoft Translator. So, why choose ChatGPT? Unlike other translation programs that only allow you to input text and receive a translation, ChatGPT is interactive. It means you can adapt translations to your specific needs and offer input on improvements you'd like to see. For instance, Google Translate cannot change tone and style or consider various cultural and geographical distinctions in word meaning. Using ChatGPT is simple. All you need to do is submit the text to be translated and the language you want it translated to, and ChatGPT will handle the rest. However, providing context is key to a good translation. ChatGPT can generate translations that appropriately consider the context of the text, which can make all the difference in conveying the author's or speaker's purpose. Let's take this Spanish sentence for example. Google Translate produces, "Thanks for asking, but I'm pretty sure here," as the translation. While this isn't entirely wrong, depending on the context, the sentence could mean, "Thanks for asking, but I'm safe here." Next, identifying the type of material you want to translate is also essential, as it can help ChatGPT generate a more accurate translation. Rather than merely asking the IT to translate something to a target language, ask it to translate the next finance legal document to English, for example. Another thing to know is that you can use style transfer in ChatGPT to adjust the tone and style of a translation to match the target audience or industry. That's because sometimes when translating text, the translation might be too technical or simply inappropriate. In this example, I translated a soccer commentary on Cristiano Ronaldo from Hebrew to English, first without style transfer, and then using style transfer. This first translation uses the closest English equivalent of the corresponding Hebrew words, while the second use words suitable for an audience that is less acquainted with soccer terms. However, it is interesting to note that both translations are considered accurate. Lastly, you can even take regional variations into account. That's because some words may have different meanings or implications depending on the speaker's location or country. For instance, this is the Chinese equivalent of the English phrase, "I'm going to play football." Even while it appears to be a great translation, it might not be accurate if the speaker was American. An American would most likely mean American football when they say football, not the football that the rest of the world is familiar with. That's because regular translation programs lack the ability to take this potential misunderstanding into consideration. Contrarily, ChatGPT can offer several translations based on the speaker's origin. "I'm going to play football" was translated into Chinese by ChatGPT on our command. It generated this result, as anticipated. Zigi, the Chinese word for football, refers to soccer rather than the sport played in the manner of rugby. Let's repeat the translation prompt, but add hints about the origin and possible intent. As you can see, ChatGPT changed the translation, this time using another word, which is the Chinese term for American football, and better reflects the potential intent of the speaker. So as you can see, ChatGPT offers a flexible and interactive translation experience that can help you overcome language barriers and communicate more effectively.